We are from China's mainland near Zhengzhou, Hunan Province, an automated intelligent farming machinery and equipment factory. The purpose is to provide comprehensive automated intelligent livestock and poultry farming equipment and technical services for livestock and poultry farmers around the world, for the modernization of livestock and poultry farming business development to contribute to the development of a force. Especially with the gradual promotion of China's Belt and Road strategy in the world, livestock machinery and breeding equipment from China is spread all over the world, which strongly drives the economic development of the country where it is located. Our company especially reminds livestock and poultry farming owners all over the world that if you have the plan to set up an automated and intelligent livestock and poultry farm in your country, please contact us. Our company will design the best construction and investment program of automated breeding equipment for you free of charge according to your farmland and breeding quantity. The company's main business products are laminated egg equipment, laminated brooder equipment, laminated breeder equipment, laminated broiler equipment, chicken manure treatment equipment, egg packaging equipment, automated pig equipment, automated other animal husbandry equipment, including automated cattle and sheep breeding equipment. The company, from the planning and design of breeding equipment, configuration, installation to after-sales, can provide a series of high-quality services in place for customers to build a modern livestock farm. Dear customer, you are now seeing the factory automated breeding equipment manufacturing process. As long as you need our intelligent breeding equipment, no matter you are about 20,000 small farms or 1 million large-scale intelligent breeding factory. As long as you find us, entrust us, our engineers and technicians will do their best for you to create your dream intelligent automated livestock breeding factory. As big as the whole farm, full-dimensional spatial design, as small as a screw, the installation of steel wire, the choice of materials, all for your careful consideration. Take a close look at our product manufacturing workshop, clean and tidy. Workers operate skillfully and professionally. Materials and products are categorized in an orderly manner. All kinds of products are ready to go. A busy scene. This is due to our factory for many years of dedication, sincerity, dedication to customers to build a successful automated intelligent breeding plant and mature operation of the trust and word-of-mouth spread. Let our company's customers all over the world. In recent years, we serve domestic customers at the same time. Efforts to expand overseas markets, often overseas customers to visit the company, finally led our Chinese intelligent automated breeding equipment to the world, to the Middle East, Africa, North and South America, to the whole world. If you're currently planning to build an automated chicken farm, please contact us. You are welcome to contact us for specific cooperation matters and any questions you may have. Cooperation starts from understanding. Trust is established from contact. Concerns are eliminated from communication. Everything starts from your call. We will sincerely reply to any questions you may have. Thank you. Automated breeding machinery and equipment consulting hotline 00864075670068 00861391 784-9689. WhatsApp can be added with the number